i-relationship kaSiphamandla kanye ke noMabusi izophazamiseka kakhulu ngenxa yobizo lukaMabusi, kanti ke umsangalo noma umgqasoni noma umbhunge laphana ke kuMamzobe uzokhula kunokuba ke unciphe. Umndeni kaMthembu ukhulekani ngenxa yesimamba sibonayo kuMabusi, bancinga ke uSiphamandla ukuthi ke athathe umfazi wesibili. Kungabe kuzoba ubani phakathi ke kukaNokubonga kanye ke noSihle? Kanti ke uNdlovu yena uyaqhubeka nokuphendlela indodakazi yakhe uMendo laphana ke kuMkhululi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 8th to the 12th of April 2024 on Monday. The Gumedes and the Mthembus are worried after finding someone digging in the Gumede yard at night. The walls are slowly closing in on Mamzobe on Tuesday. Mamzobe's porous chest is a cause for concern for one of her proteges. Kulegani pleads with his brother to take a second wife. Ndlovu ropes his daughter into his plans on Wednesday. Siphamandla and Mabusi cycled back to where their love began. Kulegani oversteps and offers a solution to end Umkhokha once and for all on Thursday. The Mthembus are experiencing tranquil times while Mamzobe's insanity increases, much to Manzimande's concern. Ndlovu intend to make his name great by hook or by crook on Friday. Ndlovu sees this opportunity to prove himself as the best right-hand man for Mkhululi. Kapsile tricks Mamzobe into showing her where she hid izikhwama. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.